Hello guys, sorry, last lecture I didn't talk about jump, but I'll cover it in the next lecture. Today I'm gonna cover the PTR. Next lecture we're gonna do what we did in last lecture, which is printing an array using a loop. I'm gonna show you how we do it in a jump, and what's a jump different from a loop, and how we can use it using those operators. PTR, we have type, we have size of length of those three. And let's give you a small example real quick on it. Let's say I have num, and it's D word, a double word, or D word, or DD, double, and let's say I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and let's put it as hexadecimal. Now in my .code I'm gonna have main process. So how can we use PTR? For example, I can use PTR if I say move AX and I say num. Can I do that? No, it's gonna give us an error. Why is that? Let's save this. And I want to run it and show you what's the error. And let's tool build error instruction operand must be same size. I don't know what is it saying. I can see it. Must be the same size. Instruction operand must be the same size. It's not going up even. And it's not moving. But anyway, it's not the same size. So how can we make, because I'm moving to 2 bytes, a word, I can say PTR num1, get a word from num1 and move it to AX. Let's do zero, and here call write integer. Two 1 3 6. One, 2 3 4. Why is it doing that? Should just move word, and let's do call dump register and see what's going on. undefined dump p with p. No errors. Okay, we have 0 and we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Something changed equal, right? So we moved the right amount, but it's printing. Something wrong in our print, call right. Integer. It's gonna print whatever is in EAX. And it's printing the same number. Where's that number coming from? I don't know. Are they screwing it? They want me to pay now for the... But I don't see any error. And it's right. Here, where did it get? 2213? I don't know, but it seems right. Everything seems good. Word pointer num, okay. And that moved it. Call right. Integer, that's right. So what was wrong? I don't know. Maybe they're doing it on purpose. Anyway, so we use the pointer when we need to move or print different sizes. Because we always remember we have to have size mismatch. Size have to be the same. We don't want to get the error size mismatch. This is a D word and this is a word. So I used a pointer. Point to a word in num1 and num. A word is, it took the least significant bytes. The least significant 2 bytes. Least significant. Why least significant? Remember, the bits on the right have the lowest value. The first bit on the right has 2 to the power 0, a value of 1. The next bit has a value of 2 to the power 1, which is 2. So the first bit has that least significant value. So this is the lowest significant byte. This is the second lowest significant byte, and I want a word 2 bytes, so it's gonna print this. This is where I can use PTR. I can use, okay, also I can say, where can I use type? Type, I want to know the data type of this. So I can say move to EAX type of num, and here I'll do call. Hopefully it doesn't give us the same thing, right? Integer, this has to print 4, meaning a D word. Let's see what is it gonna print. Printed 4, which is what? Saying this is 4. If I had a word, it's gonna print 2. If I had a byte, it's gonna print 1. But remember this, we're gonna need it in a minute. We're gonna need it in a minute. Okay, where can I use Sizeof? It's saving 4 bytes. Sizeof is 4 bytes, num1. If I had another one here, let's say 87654321 8, this is gonna print as well. 8, the size in bytes. Sizeof return the size of that element in bytes of that whatever variable, let's say. Not element, because those are 2 elements. Continue evaluation, please. Let me continue evaluation. You're gonna make me buy it. And I'm gonna buy it because of you guys. So please, at least see them. Tell other students about them. 8, and let's say length of. What do you think length of is gonna return? I say it's gonna return 2. What do you say? Missing operator in line 11, and I think length of. Did I do the same mistake here? No errors. It printed 2. So now, can you see the difference between length of and size of? Length of will return me how many elements do I have. So if I didn't have this, it's going to return one element. Thinking of it returns the size of the array, or like what we did using the $, current location pointer. But here we're using length of. Size of returns the number of bytes. Same as size of, but without dividing on the type of data type. Returns what my data type is in bytes. If I add a byte, it returns 1. If I add a word, it returns 2, and so on. Those are really important to know, guys. Really important to know. They're so useful. We're gonna see next example how to do them, how to use them.